and welcome to my channel. Big news, we just bought a house here in the Sunset neighborhood of San Francisco, close to Golden Gate Park and Ocean Beach, and I'm super excited to share a tour of the inside of the house. But first, if you haven't had a chance yet to subscribe to my channel, I would love your support. Super simple, just click the subscribe button below. Now back to the house. One of the first things I loved about it was the mint green exterior. I think it's so vibrant and fun, so I was really excited about that. But let's take a look at the inside. Here we have our tunnel entryway, which is a cool architectural design feature of a lot of the homes that Henry Doelger built here in the 1930s and 40s. Our house specifically was built in 1941, which gives it a lot of charm, but also some quirks. As far as the charm, there's these cool little details like this vintage peephole and this beautiful hallway light. To my left over here, we've got the living room with big west-facing windows. In here we've got beautiful parquet oak floors, which were just refinished. We also have this really unique crown molding in this sort of Art Deco style. And down over here, we've got our beautiful fireplace, which I'm really excited about. It seems to be functional, but we'll see how that works. Next up, we have our dining room, which also has beautiful parquet floors and unique crown molding, and overall is just a lovely space. For our first renovation, we'll likely be taking down this wall to create more space between the kitchen and the dining room. In here we've got our kitchen, which probably hasn't been updated since the 80s or 90s, but we actually really love that because we wanted to do the renovation ourselves so that the design and feel of it is the way we wanted. This is our cute little breakfast nook, and we actually have some great storage right underneath here, which is super useful. Down this hallway, we've got our bathroom on the right-hand side. This is our bathroom here, which is very yellow and pink right now, so we'll probably make some updates before moving in, but I do really love this pink tub. I think it's pretty fun. These are our two bedrooms. This will be our bedroom, and over here, this will be our guest bedroom and office. Over this way is our main bedroom, which is nice and spacious. And it also looks out onto the backyard. Next, we're going to head downstairs, which is mostly unfinished right now. It's going to be a bigger remodel project for us next year. And we're planning to build in a bedroom, a little living room area, and a bathroom, laundry room, and probably a wine cellar too. This room here that kind of looks like a dungeon will be our TV room for now. We'll definitely make it cozy with a big couch and rug and cushions. But there is a nice view of the yard. Just the window's really small. And down this way is the main area of the garage. So over here we've got our washer. And over there is our dryer. Over this way will be our little workout room. I've already got my treadmill here. And then through this door is our backyard. This yard is just bursting with potential. I love the lemon tree. We've already used so many lemons in our drinks and of course made lemonade. I'm probably gonna make some lemon bars next. And over here we've got our patio area, which is awesome. We'll be getting a grill to put there for some summer barbecues. And of course we'll be doing some general maintenance and sprucing up the garden. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tour of our house today. If you did, please be sure to give a thumbs up below, and I'll be posting future videos of some of the updates that we make to the house, so I hope you'll follow along for that. And thank you so much for watching.